Hey guys, Chuck here with no time to be said. Hey, today is another episode of How To in Thailand. So today I want to talk about how to use the bathroom in Thailand. Yes, this is a very, very important topic when coming to Thailand because you'll find out that you're going to need to find the bathroom probably pretty quick. And you're gonna have to understand how to use the bathroom in Thailand. So a lot of you that have never been to Thailand will be in for quite a surprise. The bathrooms have really evolved a lot better than what they used to be when I first started coming to Thailand. But I remember my first experience, I won't give you the total details, but we had some shellfish in Bangkok and we made a journey up to Isan in a little tour van, a minivan. Yeah, it hit me and I needed to use the bathroom quite a few times, so I had a lot of experience on my first travel to Thailand. I walked into the bathroom and I saw this porcelain hole in the ground with it looked like it had these little places to put your feet, but around the toilet there was really nothing to hold on to, and all there was a little box full of water and a pail. So I'm like, first off, I'm evaluating, I'm like, how do I do this? You know, I'm really not built for this. I don't know how my aim is, but wow, I don't know. So I contemplated on how, I think you have to be a gymnast to be able to get in a position and use the bathroom properly in this facility. But I after contemplating for a few minutes, not very long, I didn't make the attempt. So I walked out and I saw that they had a handicap bathroom. So I opened the door and wow, I'm handicapped. This is for me, you know. So yeah, so there are, look for the handicap if they don't have a normal. A lot of times you will find normal porcelain toilet seats in the bathroom. So it was a very crazy first time experience to actually see that. So cut. A lot of times they don't have toilet paper. Now you'll see a toilet paper roll out in front, and at first I thought that was to dry your hands. It's like, you're not going to dry your hand with a wet toilet paper. When it gets wet, it just dissolves, you know. So, but that's to get toilet paper before you enter the stall, right? So grab some toilet paper. But what I recommend is when you go buy your supplies at 7-Eleven, grab some tissue paper and some hand sanitizer. A lot of times the bathrooms, you'll find soap, but they may be empty or none at all. But carry hand sanitizer or a little thing of soap. So another thing about the bathroom is they have this thing next to the toilet. You could call it a bum gun, a butt gun, a sprayer, call it what you want. But when I first saw that, my first thought was, what the hell is that? I mean, we have that in America, but it's not used for that. So I like, okay, so I come out and I ask the guys, what is that? What is the purpose of that? So they told me it's to wash yourself. And I thought, wow, what an interesting concept. So I thought about it for a minute and I was like, wow, that's awesome, because, you know, it really doesn't we don't take baths with toilet paper, right? No, we wash ourselves first and then we dry ourselves. So I kind of had a sense of embarrassment that we don't have this in the States. It's like, wow, the whole time I'm so satisfied right now is all I can say. So anyway, that is used, and I'll spare you the demonstration. But wash yourself off and then you can use the toilet paper to finalize the mission, right? So anyway, don't be afraid of the sprayer. Sometimes they're really powerful, sometimes they're not. Sometimes there's none. Sometimes there's just this box with this pail. I don't know how to do the pail. I can't seem to figure out, there's not really enough room in the area to really kind of get down there. So I don't know, you can splash or whatever. I don't know. I'm not an expert on the pail. The pail is still kind of strange to me, but what's really strange is having to get totally undressed to use the bathroom when there's just a hole in the ground. And there's nowhere to hang your damn clothes either. So anyway, to use the bathroom in Thailand, get you the proper sanitation, paper, hand sanitizer, soap. Look for the handicap bathroom, or or do some squats before coming to Thailand to get your knees kind of used to getting in the position. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that. Don't be afraid of the bathrooms, but this is what they look like. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please click like. Share if you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Over half of my viewers aren't subscribers to my channel. Just the subscription alone really helps the channel grow and helps it with YouTube. So I would appreciate it very much if you would do that. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on future videos, let me know. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you on the next video. ขอบคุณนะครับโชคดีแล้วเจอกันใหม่ครับ Bye. Okay, wait a minute. I forgot something. Word of the day. Word of the day. This is a very useful, important word. Not just what I taught you before was how to find the bathroom, but how to say in Thai speaking language that you need to use the restroom. So when you need to use the restroom, you just say "port eo," "port eo." Home port eo means I have to pee. Port means like port means something like sore, right? Like you're sore or uncomfortable. Like you could say port tong. Tong is stomach. I've got a sore stomach or a sore throat. Port caw. So you want to say port eo. Port eo is pee. If you've got to do the other thing, it's port key. Not really that much of a polite word, but we're talking about speaking language, right? So I have to use the bathroom. Home port. I almost said key. Home port eo kap. Maybe you want to tell your driver you need to use the bathroom. Port yao, port yao. How do you say it, babe? Port yao. Port yao. Did I say it correctly? Port yao. Port yao. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Port key. Bye bye.